Hello, my people. Hi, everybody. Good evening, everybody. Hello, everybody. I greet everybody. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome, 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 welcome. Help me to share this video. May we gist, my people. I greet everybody. I greet you according to your time. This is Otoshibo Mama. Also, now they fine. Help me to share this video. If you are calling, my number day here. We want just gist, okay? Let's gist. You know, say, when I know say, you get one video where you come out, this video about this Igbo man, where you come out, where the video go viral. We don't see how many of us don't see the video. Maybe some people never see the video, okay? So, may we just gist, okay? May we talk. May we talk about that video. Now, no say, what happened for that video, It dey happen to many men like that, okay? Most men wey be say that they bring their wife come out. Something like this they happen to them. Something like this, they really they happen to them, okay? Because this life, they say no balance. Maybe now people wait they no balance, all right? Maybe now people wait they no balance. Like that video when I watch I was like, oh, many people there like this, where we they see the video. So now they come out, so now they do video, they come out. So now they tell people waiting they go on because of the shame, you know. Some go just like, okay, this thing happened to me also, you know, go talk. Why some go do video? They go just see, say, okay, maybe they see waiting they pass through, the good way you do. Now he be say, it can't turn to another thing. So, okay, many things they happen for this life. I'll still replay the video for now again. I'll still play the video. You know, say like this thing where happen, so where be say this man, he go Nigeria, go marry this woman. Then he can't do everything, bring this woman come abroad. You see, they happen to some women. You see, they happen to some women where be say they are there here. Or because of say men where they here, they don't see say most of them, maybe some don't born, then go they lie, some go be like not ready to marry. Many things they do where they happen to them. Help me to share this video as you are coming. You on a support. You can support me by sharing, by liking the video. Okay, you can also support me with star or is support, which I appreciate. All right. So this thing still they happen to some women where be say they will there here after maybe they don't friend 1, 2, 3 of men, they'll come say maybe they're not serious. If they happen well. They'll say, okay, this man not serious. Akukuma just go Nigeria. I may go find one man where be say, because according to them, they think say, those one where they here, they're too wise, they're not ready to settle down. All their now just so they look for money, they run up and down. Which is sometimes if it be true. Because you know say abroad not easy for anybody. You can't they think of maybe you never get documents. If you don't get document finish, you can't still think and say you never get job. Or maybe the job where you get, it never strong reach. You don't know whether they'll tell you say today not come, next tomorrow come. It they happen. So now they make some of our people. Hello, I greet you. God Rita, how are you? Good evening. Thanks for coming. I appreciate you. Thank you for the love. I give you back. You know, it they happen to most women where be say they'll come say, okay, I see just be so. No responsible man for this abroad again. You understand? That is waiting some of our women they pass through. They'll say they're not responsible again. They're not ready. Before you go see most of them, now just to stay there to just they eat and say we be boyfriend and girlfriend. They're not serious for life to say they want settle down, marry to you. So some of our women, they will come kukuma just say, okay, they want go Nigeria. Maybe they first they go Nigeria, or they first see like some boys where be say they toast them. So they will come decide, say, okay, what thing go happen? So me and kukuma just the friend this one where be say they Nigeria, and that one where they Nigeria, he ready to settle down with this one will come from abroad. If they happen, well. Some of them, all this our lady, they go from here, they travel. Maybe some go, they go like 2-3 times in a year. They will go Nigeria because of the man. You where they go down Nigeria, you don't even know that man. For real, you don't know him. Now only maybe you know the chat. Honey, how are you? This side, this one, that one. You don't know the character. You don't know many things of this. Good evening, Helen. I greet you. Good evening. God bless you for coming. Wanna help me share this video. Help me to like also. You don't know the character of that man. So you come fall in love because of say it not be like those one where be say they abroad. Normally, not feel be like them because in way they Nigeria, it don't get time to say one look for documents. Because we may where they decide, then go they pursue document they go. They're not ready to settle down to say, okay, may we start to the bomb because paper not there. Or it may be paper constant day. They not work not day like say no stable work. Today you go, next tomorrow you not go, you know. So for the woman, I go just feel say okay, that one way you see for Nigeria, it better. May she go they see him. Most of them they go they see him, and they'll come fall in love to the extent, my people. We go come be say this one way they Nigeria, she go come put all her mind for this one way they Nigeria. That one go they tell and say no problem. I go they help you they do something. Maybe the woman they fair yakagbo koya mene family or so no. He go come say he want restart, or maybe he still get something. Go say okay, as he be say you now you de Nigeria, I go bring money for you. Maybe take buy maybe land or something. Maybe you they help me. That one way de Nigeria, he goes accept her. Why not go accept? He go say my babe. You understand? You wait there that side now. You be babe. You go they send money. They go they give the boy where de Nigeria. It they happen now different ways. Now it say they happen. Help me to share this video, my people. So you go they send money. Go they give them. Now then, now you see some of our women, our guests, as I'll talk, they go send money. They don't care because for their mind now, they don't know say okay, this one way they Nigeria. Now me with her, now I want start life. That one way they Nigeria go come buy land. That is the boy where they Nigeria. He go buy land. He go put in name. Okay? He go put in name. But you where they here now you they send the money. Oh. Some of our women where they here, they know they ask. Oh. They know they ask. He go say I trust her. I want build my life with her. Okay? If you want to call in, you can call in also. I want build my life with this boy where I just see so. He never born. He dey okay. You know they stress me. Sister, you know why I know they stress you? Because you don't know her. You don't know the kind of person where you with and they deal. Even though say you they go 1 or 2 times a year, they go Nigeria. It not there enough for you to know that person. Whether now you really want or now waiting they bring come for that side. Now they are. All these things, sometimes we need to sit down and look where. Look at where. Now you can see say after maybe this one where they abroad, this lady where go there abroad, it don't they do many things. They go through this man, it don't they do many things. When he go come reach, maybe he want go Nigeria, no one tell him, one surprise him. It go concert because man where they Nigeria, you where they this, you know if you tell that man, may not get girlfriend. You know if you tell now, even though say the man they tell you say no, what I want use them to do. All of them are the same. I don't get. I bet sister, no just believe everything where person they tell you. Don't believe. Because you wait there this side, you go still get a bahia. He wait there Nigeria, he go still get a bahia. You see? Una not go even know una self. Now you can see say the girl can start go say I use all my money. I say may help me build this one. You not do. I say may help me do this one. You not do. Or you will come kukuma see say the man don't give belle to a girlfriend where be say before he know you, he don't talk to that girl. So they do. I go tell the girlfriend say I just see one akate where just come. This woman be like say he gets more. I beg. May you cool down. the woman gets, I will tell her say I not get girlfriend, so that then go arrange am. It's still the day. It's still the happen. Eh? So women, everything where they get, they don't test everything to that man. The man, na in name day. Now the man, they do everything. Even go reach the account. Now the man, they operator. She don't know anything. She don't know anything. Now the man, I go the operator for her. It dey happen, my people. So when I see this video, when this when go viral, if it be say maybe they just because according to as I say, it not be like film. It not be like film. If it be say na film, but this one it they really they happen for most of our men. When be say then they come on from abroad, not be all, okay? Most of them. Then all these things they happen to them inside house. They not go quick come out, can't tell you say, see what thing happen. You go marry wife come for Nigeria. After I don't do everything, go carry and come here. The woman will just mellow. He go cool down. You not go show your character. Lie. How you want to show your character? Person where you they see two times in a year. He go sweet head down for you now. Because you will never sit down more and be say una day together. Because for you to understand man, and for a man to understand, una need to stay at least 1 year together. 1 year for the same house. So not be say one go there this side, one go there this side. For you to know, say this person I go fit or I not go fit. I don't say no easy. Because most women now, you get the way where they say they do. Now so some men still be. But some women, because of say abroad, you understand? So they will come the way where they say they do, we can't get a CB. All right? So all these things, it they happen to most of our people. So people don't frustrate finish because of waiting don't happen to them. Shame not go let them talk and come out. Now little of them I go talk come out. Most of them they not they talk. You go just keep on. You go keep on. That's why you'll see some women now you go say, okay, since the man in Nigeria, I be woman. In there for abroad. He go they meet the man. He go carry belle, the man belle, he go bring her, he go come born her for year. He go they process all the documents because he wants me he carry the man come. As it they happen for man, so it they happen for woman. He goes okay. I see don't see the man, everything don't they okay. The man they go marry for Nigeria. He go start to they do all the documents just for her, the man to come in. The woman go carry belle, go come born for year. Because now the woman get paper, now the woman there abroad. Once the man go land for year, he go still change his own character. Now small. Now there you go come they see many things. Now there you go come they tell you, say, yeah, now you start where they carry man come. Now understand, no say some women there, now where be say go carry man come. The fear of say, may other people not come snatch him. It go still there. You understand? Because don't be say you carry man come, you lock him for inside house. Man way go wrong, you go still wrong. Man way not go wrong, you not go wrong follow another person, you not go still wrong. It depends of human being where we get. Some people they you go say I beg, what do you do for me? Why some go still respect you for that thing where you do, you go still give you that respect. But most of them, you get the way where they take the way they did. After when the man go reach here. Now then the man can't tell you say, you two the control, huh? You two they do this one, you two they do this one. It go come they bring different story. As it there for man side, now so it there for woman side. Now so it there for woman side. Now by God grace to see somebody where be say, maybe you bring and come, everything still there okay with you. Now by God grace depends. You know say most people they don't know what they need for life. Okay, today they will talk this one. Next tomorrow they will talk another thing. The other day they will talk another thing. So that kind of people, you know, really know what they really need for life. Woman way you know or man way you know say, this person now want stay with. Nothing go change her. You go there. You go they still they show you that love. You know go change. But that one way you don't know say he don't get in mission. He don't get what he as he want to, you know. We don't program I go do like this, I go do like this. Help me to share this video, like the video, my people. You go there, you know, go say if you just reach my hand, who get time? I think say one bomb, me bomb. I want to start my life, I want to do this one. Then go program her. Most of them, they program all these things. Now only God, now go they help somebody. Baba God na go just help you to see the right person where be say, all waiting you do, may you not come regret her. Like this one now, where I want to show you, where I want to show now, so where most of us don't see this video, it they happen to men, it still they happen to the women. The man will come the waka, waka. You go come the ask, say, this might be like say, you're the suspect, it be like say, get girlfriend. It be like say, get boyfriend. It be like say, get this one. If you can't ask her, you go come say, why you come they ask me where I the waka go, where I know want waka go. Area go come scatter. Eh? May I play for now? Most of us, we don't see this video since. It dey happen, my people.
My people, this is more than I can take. I never expected that life would be like this. But now that he has gotten to this stage, it's time for me to let the whole world know what is going on. Because if I do anything now, government will chase me out of the house. And she will be the one to inherit all I have achieved since I came to Europe. I don't know what I have done to this woman. I don't deserve this. I don't deserve this at all. The woman I went to Nigeria to marry.
I need to share the video, my people.
My heart in money.
Awesome.
My name is Ebele. I live here in Germany. But I am a Funantem. I've seen hell. Go and marry, go and marry. I didn't know that I would fall into a wrong hand. My people, I'm in deep trouble. Can you people please come and help me? I don't have a life anymore. Since I went to Nigeria to marry this lady, I've never known peace. It has been one problem to the other. Lying every time. Today she will sleep outside. She will tell me that one of her friends, Vero, is doing something. Her mother, they want to turn the neck. He died 21 years ago. She will go. Next month, another one will be Victoria. Victoria's husband is doing 50th birthday. She will go. She will sleep outside. All I have been hearing. But Olugun here. Which is in no. Let the people hear. Is it a crime to go to your country to marry a beautiful lady? What have I done wrong? My people tell me, what have I done wrong?
I need to share, my people. Share the video. Like and love.
But what I will do, at least to have evidence,
yeah,
I will keep this camera here. She wouldn't know that it's there. So that the whole world will hear her out and hear me out as well. Enough of this nonsense. It has to stop.
Yeah.
This has to stop. Oh, darling. Good morning. Don't tell me. What happened, honey? Did you sleep last night? Why are you coming this late morning? Why is it that you can't give me peace anymore in this house?
What are you talking about?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
How? I told me I'm going to meet Lovett. The mother is having birthday party and I'm with her. What is your problem?
Again. Last time it was her husband having party. The other time it was her son.
I worked so hard with her. I have headache. I was busy all through helping her running around. Now I have headache.
I'm tired of this, your story all the time. Each time, this my friend is doing this my friend is doing that. Can't you think that I am a human being? Is it a sort of...
What is it?
Is what you're talking about?
Stop it. I'm telling you the fact that you don't want to listen to me.
So
told you that I'm with Lovett. I'm helping her for my mother's birthday. 80 years birthday is not a joke. Why is it that it's only you that is helping the helper? How many people have come here to help you? You know what? For peace to reign, because I'm tired of this your argument. I need to sleep. I need to sleep for the whole day. Why would you sleep? Okay. Now I'm going to call Lovett. Yeah? We'll call Lovett. If this will make peace reign, yeah? I'll call Lovett. Then we'll hear from Lovett.
Call this your Lovett. I'm tired of this story. Call Lovett.
Because you can't change. So trust no more. Trust. Hey, no. Hey. Okay. No, Lovett. I can't believe this. I can't believe it. No, so you got number on there, on your name. Meaning that run. Can you feel there's someone now? Let me call Lovett. And Lovett, what is hammer up putting there? What we are taking on, take out normal. What call Lovett? I'm ring that. Why you are not back?
Give me one like he's a channel.
Because he and them man accused, the member accused, he won't hire. You know, he could have another.
So why should we get me? I'm not going to touch. You are my one to touch.
He did. If I did, you the too primitive. He was a bushman. Primitive. He was very
primitiveness, man. Can't you wait Nigeria? No time today. Consider primitiveness, man. Can't you wait Nigeria?
Are you the first to bring somebody to abroad?
And I'm in Japan.
Are you the first?
I'm in Japan now.
In your man, I will age. Don't you know you are even 40 years older than me?
Okay.
Hello, brother. How are you? Hello, sweetheart. Please. I am fine. Please. Yes, you listen. Yes, you listen. You say what? Babe. Hi, Lord Jesus. Babe, your mom, not your mama back then. How we did yesterday? Shut up, love. What's you they talk, babe? You know how they follow you they talk? Lovett, you know who they talk to? Shut up. Who did they talk? No, shut up. Oh, shut up, Lovett.
Una here?
Lovett.
Una here now? Don't say I did live. I put down for live camera. Thank you.
Well, people, wonder shall never end. This one, now the man carry a call. It still they happen to women also. The same thing, it still they happen to women. Now, if you don't know person, if you don't know her like that, for you to say, I want just go carry a call, may we start together, especially this abroad. It they hard though. Hey, it go hard. This one when you happen to this man, so many where we don't they see when we say they don't buy their house, carry woman come now no abroad now all because of say they get misunderstanding. When Ogbalegbe go come, Ogbalegbe will tell you say you as a man may you find your way. Then they will leave the woman for inside house. Can you imagine? All now because of say una no understand, and that one ain't the pain pass, my people. Now that one the pain pass because you go Nigeria, go do all the documents what you supposed to do. Bring her come here. The woman, you not do anything. You not stress himself. You not be like people where be say they suffer before they come this abroad. No, they just carry on. DHL, Maka, you just come here. Then when you go reach here, you can't tell you say you don't grow further. Okay? That one can pain. It dey pain well. For real. Go pay you, go reach your bone marrow, say, as it be for man, na so it be for woman. Now he make he good. If before you want to do anything, make sure say the person where you get for front, you understand that you don't know the kind of person where it be say you go fit. Say yes, I do. As it be for man, so it be for woman. Not because of say the man just na person way calm, or now the woman na person way calm. If he be say he just want cover himself, he no want show it, or he no want show himself come out. If it be like that, most of them they go programmer go say, okay, me I for not just leave her like that. If now one pikin make I born for now. We see Korao now. We still see Korao as it end. Okay? Now so it's a almost most of them. Now so it the end. The thing know they go where? It must break. Because of you wait from here, go Niger, go carry say because of say, okay, this one I love her. And the economic of our country still get as it be. Maybe the woman brain go get it go still go it go still better small past those one where be say their blood they hot like that. You know, you you carry come. But later, if you too take maybe 3 years, everything go break. If you be that kind of person where be say you carry your husband come, you carry your wife come, it past 3 years when I see there, meaning something is good. Because under that 3 years, next until they everything go scatter. Everything go break. What you not expect, you're going to see everything. You're going to ask yourself, what I do? Me wait to say, people wait they here, they not get level. Now, we are one from start. Now that one end they hook our people. I just see most men, they'll say, no, I know they marry for a year, what I want use them to do. I want go Nigeria. You not see as this man take end, so na so go be. Unless you just fair go Niger, go stay, go 6 months, stay for there. Now 2 times you want go for a year, you go. Stay well, stay there for good 6 months. Una stay together. Tell look the way they do. Whether ohono gweya no abina man we go say, okay, this one good go be the father of my children. Otherwise, once you don't cross that river, you don't dey plan what you want to go say if I just reach there. Hey. You can't tell me I'm not going to go club. You can't tell me I'm not going to go party. All these things. No, say not be all men. They like all these things. Say me why they go party. And you now, you go carry one come for Nigeria. For Nigeria, where they if they go that party because you know they there. Once you don't carry your luggage, you don't come this side. What should they do for that side? You don't know. You not go know. As it be for man, so it be for man, so it be for woman. Now some men go still be. You know if you tell and say, nah, as you as a woman, you don't dare here, you don't get satellite wait till they watch her. Even though say they tell people say, Mona, they help me, then they follow every 24 hours. No. What did they do? Someday when they go use you finish, especially those one will be our women. When they go use you finish, you go throw away you for inside bush. Now the man go come tell you say, what you they expect? So you don't pass the all abroad. You not see man. You can't say you want to come Nigeria, come marry me. You not ready. After many. So what is the need? Why not just stay where you did? May you know say you want even marry somebody where you know say you with her. You know the kind bege way they here. Because I dey see many women. That's what they do. They run up and I want to go marry for Nigeria. Men, I want to go marry for Nigeria. Those one where marry for Nigeria, where they not even carry the wife come here. You now, you marry her, you leave her for house. Who they help you come, they watch her for them? Nobody. Maybe once in a year, now you take they go. Then you they here because of say you not see woman where you want marry for year. You will still the friend some of them. But the one where you marry, then they help you for Nigeria. Now the truth of the matter, take it or leave it. Then they help you for that side. Because most of them, when you go, they fire you. Or you make sure say me you can't do the document. And not if stay alone for a year. And you go there that side, me go there this side. You as a man or as a woman, you go there, okay, maybe they do all the documents. You can't they do everything. After when you don't do and finish, the woman don't get this side, don't come here. Maybe you can't tell and say now, okay, wife, as you don't reach here now, everything don't do okay, maybe we not born. The woman can't they tell you say never reach. It's still there for that side. After the woman don't come, you can't tell and say, you don't still stay 1 year now. oh yeah, may we try to the form our family, may you try to get belle, may you born. He go tell you, say, no, he never reach you. Which day I come from, yeah. He go they give you different things. Meaning, you know what he want to do. You say that marriage, you go sit down. You just carry and come, make and enjoy. From there, you go just bagger. Go can't tell you, say, you not reach a level. Now there, you go can't tell you, say, maybe you not too rich. Maybe you know they talk well. Maybe you go can't they give different excuse. Different things go can't they come out. We then hear many things they happen. Some people they shame to even bring and say, see what happened to them. Because of the shame. Because of it don't condemn most women where they here. Now so they say be for men. So the shame go come their body. You know talk what happened to them. You know tell you. Because if you talk, people go laugh. Some people they go say, okay, I will talk and come out. Go still talk and come out. Be wise. This one a lesson to everybody. Lesson. Especially that our women, some of our women will be say, when they go love, they go forget their self. Man, when you be say, you never even marry yourself. You with a job, they do boyfriend and girlfriend, or una just they chat, or the man I go can't take control of your things. It's still the day. Use your brain, use your sense. It's still the day. The woman call it, I be say why he say, na me go be wife. Oh, he say everything after everything done ready. We can't do this one, we can't do that one. The man go try to convince the woman to change everything. We be say be nego say, how you will be woman? Something waiting you get now your name there. Now me be the man now. You understand? Some women they like that. Most of our women they like that. When man change their brain. Waiting is be say be oh, he can't change the name, put the man name. After we don't do everything finish. So the man not go even marry. He not go even born one boy for them or one girl for them. He go shut. It's too late to cry. So wise up. Use your sense. Don't let that love enter inside your brain. Sote, you go forget yourself. Before you go see man, where be say, you go come put a woman name for it things in the hand. But our women, they don't pass. I don't know why they let people like that, they use them. Because of say, he say, na him be the man. I go born for her. You don't born for her. The answer is no. As far as you never born for her, or you never even marry yourself, waiting go make you carry the property where you get before. Go put the man name, come out your own. Or because of say the man don't tell you say, na him be the head of the family. No. No be so. Now your name there. He don't marry you. For you to put the man name, kukuma you put your children name. Now somebody they talk my own. Put your children name, the pikin where you born for the man. Now only greedy man where be say, yeah, open courage bag. Now go tell the wife say, as you be say you get all this property, your name not supposed to day. Now my name not supposed to day as the man. No. You don't even need to watch to the look waiting she even get. If you really be say you not there after waiting the woman get. If you not there after waiting get, it not concern you. All that one na your thing. As far as you wanna be husband and wife, good and fine. The woman go they get that respect, go still they give you. Even though say the woman they tell you say, honey, may we change her now? You go tell her say now your property. As far as say you be my wife, me the control. Problem not there. Be careful. Some people don't frustrate for many things like this. Or you with man go buy something. You with your husband now go say una one buy land or una one buy house. The man go tell you say na only in go day. Now two of una buy yan. Tomorrow you not get voice for them. As far as say you na two of una buy yan, it's supposed to be say na two of una name na go day there. Man wey be say he had not too wise like that. He na go even tell you say honey, make two of us name day here. Because nobody knows tomorrow. Because once you say, okay, probably not, they make your name there. If the man go marry another wife, you are your own. Then go throw away you like say dustbin. Put you for a side dustbin. What you na gather and do before you come the shop say, hey, now two of us, your name dead there. The answer is no. Then now two of una do one. Now your money even big pass. But your name not there. Now that one I did something. And if una dey do something, don't let any man to just change your brain, tell you, say, the land where I buy waits you. No worry, na my name. Anytime when you take on, we go change out to your name. Sister, not release that money. Oh. Not release that money where you want to buy. No. Make sure, say, person where you trust, it dey there. Make sure, say, your name join. Make sure, say, your name join. If your name not join, how they want to change, because then they play today, tomorrow, not know where that quarter will come. Oh. Now be the man, now be the problem. Because when you they do something, you don't know the day where tomorrow what it go happen. Whether the man will come tell you, say, as it be now, the love can't get as it be. It can't the wave. I don't know whether I go feel continue. That woman not go put on for electric. After everything where you don't do, now you need day everything. No one, your name evil day. No one, your name day. Wise up. Many things they happen for this life. Many things, especially those women where be say, they go love, they go forget themselves. Some women be like that. Once they love that man, they go forget themselves. And a men, some men, then they do all these things. Use those women, put everything, put in there. You go forget the woman, so that the woman not get voice again. Like that one way happened to that girl. When be say rich, she can't put everything for in name. The woman not get anything where in name. How you want to draw that thing? How you want to draw? Which court you want carry the person go? First of all, what then will help you? Ask you. Sorry. Now the documents. Now the name where they then they look. Even though say now you bring money, now that one bring money come when now the name where they. So when you they do all these things, make sure say your name they follow everything where they do. Even though say tell you say, only you not trust me, tell them say I trust you. Nobody knows tomorrow. That be this something. Nobody knows tomorrow. Anything feel happen. Anything feel happen. Even though say that the woman say you want can't even leave herself. Now if it happen, or the man will come tell you say I want marriage join you. It they happen. Many things they happen. Where be say you don't suffer for many years. Many years, you with your husband don't they go? Maybe you know even no our people now. Maybe enough we born enough we born boy. The man will come they disturb. Many things go come they happen. You go say I want marry another woman join you. After many things where you will not suffer, and then your name not there anywhere. You not get voice. It they happen, my people. So my people, be wise. Open your eye. If you they do something. May not come be say tomorrow you come they cry without say you can't say I die no. I die no. That one don't late. It don't late. So if you want to go marry for Nigeria, me I know the type person say no go. But wise up. Know the kind person where you want to go marry. As it be for man, and so it be for woman. You know the character. You know your own character. Una don't stay together to see if really una go fit stay. We are not talking about boyfriend and girlfriend. Because husband and wife, nobody say they're not the quarrel. Now they get this quarrel pass. But it gets sometimes when the quarrel go say, I beg you, don't say pass. You know? Look at whether a person way you go feel give you happiness. If not be person way go feel give you happiness, una feel your friends, this one go yo, the other one go yo. So my people, not only this one, just say me, I just can't talk this evening because when I see this video, I say, this thing they happen to most of our women and our men also. We don't see many videos from America, UK, Europe where we did. After when they don't bring their wife come. Small misunderstanding, they will call up Balegbe, go through the man for outside. It did. So before we go talk say, before some men go talk say women not good for abroad. No, meaning you never see the right one. The one where still they good is still there. Sometimes you need to even to check yourself whether now you not come good. Because most men they talk about this thing say women, some women not get character. Now they say now make me I want go marry for Nigeria. You know whether now you not come they okay. Sometimes sit down and think about it. If it still be. If it still be, because some people they will be say he go marry the first one for abroad for a year. Problem. He go marry the second one. problem. Maybe they're not married, then you're born for each other. I go say lala titi lala. I want to go Nigeria if I want to remarry. But when you go there now, the same thing will happen to A, will happen to B. It will still happen to C. Meaning now you be the one where be say something is strong. Okay, my people. So me I leave una for here. Thank you for being here. I really appreciate una take watch this video. Help me to share this video if you come across this video. People go still learn for inside. Pick for inside and learn. Because sometimes I might hear forward, but now we know they know and finish. Waiting me not still know. The other one go still know. Then make sure if you know say you do there abroad. Anything where you want to do with man, make sure say na two of una name na there. Okay? Anything where you want to, make sure not let anybody tell you, or may you make the man come tell you say, honey, you not trust me. Now make you they do like this. No, this will not be about to trust somebody. Now about what it go happen tomorrow. Okay? Because you feel just wake up tomorrow, you tell me say, you know they do again. You don't frustrate the person. So if you they do something, please be very, very careful. Because abroad, it's not easy at all. You feel do something with man, just why not? Then make sure say 50 of your name there. 50 of your name there. Don't let her use with the man to. Don't let her tell you say now so this, now so that. Because most of our women, then they suffer for inside body. So don't they mad they go, they don't they talk, they go. Frustration don't hold them. All because of what they do in the morning. They believe say one man. Nah, we everything that is we are one. They don't know say we are not one. You understand? Because the man go lick ground, he go tell us sweet things. We be one, we be this one, we be that one. But later, everywhere come bust. You can't see say the man can't tell and say that land, your name not there. My people. If you know it's frustration, not there. Everything where you just do, you go say, vroom. You say, where I want from start. That be the problem. Where I want from start. Where you want carry and go. Nowhere. Because if not two of una name there, una go sell am, share am, take your own, I take my own. But if your name not there, you don't get voice for there. If you even go there, say you want to go follow and drag, it go call up balegbe for you for Nigeria. Because waiting they go ask you, they'll say, you go bring paper come. Hey, paper not there with me, oh, but now me bring the money come. They don't want to hear that one. They don't want to hear that one. And the paper, your name, is your name there? If your name not there, you are your own. Even though you go to cry. Nothing to do. So wise up, my people. So thank you for being here. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye for now. Good night, everybody. This was Otoshebo Mama. I really appreciate una they follow me. Okay? Thank you. One love. Keep us together. Bye for now.